everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is part 2 of packing my makeup for my big trip. So I'm going away for 2 months, so I've been going through the collection to figure out what I'm actually going to take with me. Some stuff I actually need because I'm performing, so I'm going to have a face of makeup, but then I also like to have makeup because I like to wear makeup every day, and I tend to wear a different lipstick every day, so like I picked out a lot of lip products. At this point, I still need to go through my highlighter palettes and my eyeshadow palettes to decide what I'm bringing from that. Before we get into that, I also pulled some skincare out, so I will be taking my Sunday Riley stuff with me and my regular cleansers. I have a variety of makeup removers that will also be coming that we won't go through right now, but I'm taking some masks. So I'm going to take my Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold mask. I'm really enjoying that one. I'm also going to take my Tarte Titan Bright because I need to use this one up. This one's been open for a while, so I don't want this one to go bad. So that one's coming with me too. Similarly, this Pharmacy Honey Potion Antioxidant Hydration Mask, this is also open, and I think I read on the bottom of this one I need to get that one used up too. I also have a Sephora Pink Clay Mask that I've used once. It's still good so far, but I want to use that up while I'm down there, or at least attempt to. I'm taking the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which I haven't tried out yet, but I want to take it with me to get an opportunity. And then I have some shampoo samples, a deep conditioning mask for my hair, and then just a little extra good jeans just in case I run out while I'm down there, because I don't want to have to pay for any more good jeans. At least not until the next big sale. That stuff's expensive. So all this skincare is coming with me, so I'm going to move that off to the side, and then we'll get going on highlighters. So for my Fenty Beauty matchsticks, I'm definitely going to take Starstruck. It's one of my favorites. I use this one a lot. And I think I'm also going to take Yacht Life because I want to use that as a blush. So I'm going to take that guy. And then the rest of my stick stuff I'm going to leave here at home. I'm not going to be gone that long. It'll be fine. In terms of big highlighter palettes, I don't want to bring a lot. I have like a fairly large investment in my highlighters. I don't want to get anything damaged. I want to minimize how much of this sort of thing that comes with me. I am going to take my Alchemist palette because I use this a lot just for fun, so this is going to come with me. And I talked about this previously, about this Milk makeup. I don't have a huge investment in this, so I'm fine with traveling with it because if something happens, I won't be upset. So that's easily replaceable. I'm hesitant to take a lot of like limited edition stuff with me, so I don't want to get anything that's limited edition like in trouble. Normally I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero. It's one of my very favorite highlighter palettes, but I worry about it and I don't want to damage it, and I don't want to take it, I don't want anything to happen to it while I'm down there. Yeah, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it anyway. It'll be fine. I'm also going to take this Becca palette because I feel like this also comes with blush and it gives me a bronzer as well. I like this palette a lot actually. It's pretty cool. I'm going to leave the rest of my interesting Anastasias here. I'd love to take the sugar one, but I don't need to take that if I'm taking these other ones, so that one's fine. I'm going to leave the Wet n Wild. Actually, no, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild because why not? I haven't really used it. I'm going to leave the Hourglass at home. I'm going to leave this Cover FX at home. No, I'm going to take the Cover FX actually. No, I'm going to leave the Cover FX at home. The Becca will cover most of that. I'm actually going to take this new palette, this Becca Ocean Jewels, because I'm really liking it and it's really, really shiny. So that I'm going to take. I think the rest of this, yeah, I'm going to leave this L'Oreal at home. Alright, I'm changing my mind. I'm going to put Nicole Guerrero back and leave her here. I'm going to take this Lancome Glow for it and try to get some use out of it. I'm going to leave my Metal Crush, though it pains me to do so. I just don't need to take it with me, and I have some other stuff I can use instead. It'll be fine. I will survive. So yeah, only 6 highlighter palettes plus the Project Pan one. That's totally normal. And to make up for less glitter stuff, I'm going to take my Fenty Matchsticks in Confetti as well. And I'm going to take my Color Switch because I need that to clean my brushes. Which, speaking of cleaning brushes, I need to take my brush cleaner. Last but not least, we're going to do my eyeshadow palettes. I have already decided I'm going to take this Urban Decay Kristen Leanne because I'm just really enjoying it. And I have a lot of interesting color choices I can make out of this. It's a good companion palette to something matte. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to take both of my Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So I have a Smoky and the Electric. So I'm going to take both of those. I'm going to take my Desert Dusk Huda Beauty palette. I'll take my Tarteist Pro to Go. And I will take my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, which I made after popping all of the shadows out, so this will come with me so I have good shimmers. I'm going to leave all of my big bulky palettes behind. And if I have the Heavy Metals, I don't need to take these guys because that's kind of covered. I'll leave my glitter palette at home. Somehow I'll survive. I don't want to take Pastel Goth because I love it and I don't want to risk it. I think I'm going to take the Kat Von D Metal Matte Mini. I haven't used it very much yet, and I do like Kat Von D shadows, so I would like to use this. I also think this is a slightly more neutral palette than I have on some of these other ones, so let's take that guy. And I kind of really want to take Prism and Subculture. I feel like this might be too many eyeshadow palettes, so let's go put this on the bed and look at everything all as one and see what I see. And this is what I've decided to take with me. This is all of it laid out on the bed. I do think it's a lot of products. I don't feel too badly about it though. The lipsticks are definitely going to get used. I normally wear a different color of lipstick every single day of the week. So the fact that I'm going to be gone about 8 weeks, I think that's an appropriate amount of lipstick, so I don't have to double up too much. The highlighter section is definitely pretty large, but I think I'm going to use all of them, so it should be fine. Similar with the eyeshadow situation, it's probably more eyeshadow than I actually need, but as long as it fits in the bag I'm going to pack, I don't care. And then everything else is pretty minimal in the grand scheme of things. Kitty not included, although I'd love to take him with me. He can't come. And I also pulled out my brushes as well. So while it looks like a lot of stuff, I think for 2 months it's a decent amount. I don't plan to spend a lot of money while I'm down there in terms of buying new makeup unless there's a release I really, really want. And really anything I would buy anyway, I'd probably get shipped back home, so I wouldn't get to play with it for a while. So I mostly intend to play with what I have and go check out stuff in stores and sort of make plans for when I get home. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!